I've been through. I ain't never had no boyfriend. I'm tired. Nobody loves me. Love ain't done nothing for me. Love beat me, raped me, call me an animal, make me feel worthless, make me sick.
She done been through hell throughout her whole life. Never fit to be a girlfriend, not even a wife. Say she been abused and misused. She could, now she damaged good. Yo, let me talk to her for a minute, yo. Hey, yo.
Hey, young girl with that body of a model, why you so turned up to the sun up? What's your problem? You'd have been through more niggas than a racial profile. Ghetto-minded and blinded, that shit is out of style. Can't even love without the game. Treat a good man like a stepchild. Raise your kids the same damn way, and that's foul. Attitude all bitchy with your senseless behavior, screaming independent. To the system you depended though, accusing niggas of the same shit that you've been doing all the time. Scratch the truth and see you lying. Don't even know how to be a good woman. You too confused, girl. I feel for that generation coming out of you.
Hell throughout her whole life. Never fit to be a girlfriend, not even a wife. Say she been abused and misused. Couldn't help it if she could. Now she damaged good.
Just wanna spit some real boss game, I ain't hate. Every fine motherfucker that you see, she ain't a lady. Just because she talk good, make you feel like a king. Get her high and drop some bread, she'll fuck the whole team. I'm stepping on some toes, gotta give it to you raw. Never talk what I heard, just spitting what I saw. What I do and what I did ain't sugarcoat shit. Every bad chick I seen in the past, I try to hit. Guess what? Every nigga know better, gotta do better. And put it all in perspective on another level. You see that girl tricking off in the club when she was just a shouted wrong nigga gave her a hug.
She done been through hell throughout her whole life. Never fit to be a girlfriend, not even a wife. Say she been abused and misused. Couldn't help it if she could. Now she damaged good.
Well, let me talk to you for a minute.
Ever met a chick outside? She a dime, but when she opened her mouth, attitude unkind. Kinda fucked me up when it happened first time. I found a woman scorn, yo, that's the worst kind. Remember that chick Brandy in that movie with Martin? Appeared to be an angel, but the heart of a Spartan. Player, hold up, don't think you really want that drama. Accused of fucking everyone from a friend to a mama. No matter what you do, it's not good enough. You're wasting time, do what you want, but I ain't gon' be wasting mine. Like bend the grass, let it go what you should. Send her back to old boy, cause she damaged good.
Throughout her whole life. Never fit to be a girlfriend, not even a wife. Say she been abused and misused. Couldn't help it if she could. Now she damaged good.